They say it is the most important meal of the day, but we all know how challenging it is to get out the door in the morning with any breakfast at all, let alone one that's actually good for you. So let's try it again. Today, we are happy to have back registered dietitian Anessa Chumbley. She is here to help. Welcome back. It's always good to see you.
It's good to be back.
Well, I like seeing anyone as excited as you are in the morning talking about something you're passionate about.
Yes, and I have 3 strategies that will help make breakfast even better.
Perfect.
Okay,
Let's start
so
right
number
here.
1, I am so excited to be partnering with Too Good Greek low-fat yogurt. It's my new favorite way to start the day, and here's the reason.
Okay.
Too Good has 2 grams of total sugar per serving, which is 85% less sugar than the average yogurts.
Oh, that's huge.
It is huge, and I love knowing that it's 12 grams of protein, 80 calories, and a 5.3-ounce serving.
See, the protein is what I would look for. That is great.
Exactly. We all need that in the morning. Everybody wonders, how do they accomplish this? So this is the cool part. The leading maker of yogurt in the U.S., Danone North America, has developed this unique patent-pending slow straining process that actually removes most of the sugar from the milk that's used to make the yogurt. Isn't that cool?
That's huge.
So you're left with that 2 grams of total sugar.
Perfect.
The yummy goodness you love. It comes in 5 flavors. You see strawberry, blueberry. They've got vanilla, mixed berry, and peach.
And you fancied it up a bit.
I did. So you could use this with fruit and granola or a smoothie. I love to do it in these overnight oat jars. So here's what I do. I just layer oats, the Too Good Greek vanilla yogurt, and then some pecans, strawberries. I make these up for the week the night before. Just pour in some nut milk, put that back in the fridge, and in the morning you have a balanced, delicious, hearty breakfast ready for you.
Yeah, and the kids can grab it and go
Absolutely.
too.
Those
I
are
like
grab and go.
that.
Okay.
Pistachios.
Number 2, my favorite wonderful pistachios. Start to add those in every morning because 90% of the fats found in pistachios are those better for you mono and unsaturated, polyunsaturated fat.
Okay.
So I used to make it my sweet pistachio granola. So we're going to make that right now.
Okay.
There's oats in there. Just go ahead and pour that coconut in.
I'm such a good
raw,
chef.
You are.
Nailed
raw,
it.
local honey. And then some of our wonderful pistachios that are roasted, shelled, salted, just throw them right in. So those pistachios are going to add a good source of protein, fat, and fiber. So those 3 act as a trio to help keep us fuller longer.
Okay.
So I love to use this for my kids too. And I actually make a batch of this for the week and then use it for breakfast. The other little thing that I do is I set it out during game night. I call these unshelled pistachios people magnets.
Oh, absolutely.
They can't help but, and you get more servings of nuts with pistachios than any other nut.
Oh, that's good.
49 servings with the
Very
pistachios.
nice. And then actually for once, the last thing, because we're running out of time.
Yeah, those
the
are grab
Palm
and go
Wonderful.
too. Palm Wonderful. So the 3rd tip you're going to do is use Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice now for your smoothies and smoothie bowls as the liquid.
Okay.
So there's the juice of 2 pomegranates in this. What's called polyphenol antioxidants, which is just
Rolls
a
off the
fancy
tongue.
way of saying, yes, good for you, nutrients that are being studied in gut health, memory, cognition. Good stuff. Yeah, the potassium of a banana, I used it to make a pomegranate coconut smoothie bowl.
She makes
all the
everything
toppings
look beautiful.
Super easy, really high in antioxidants.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Out of everything, that's the one thing I have in my house, so that maybe I will make that for
Oh, I
breakfast
drink that every
tomorrow.
day. That's good
Perfect.
stuff, isn't it?
Good to see you
Yeah,
again.
you
And
too.
if you did miss any of these items, you can find all the information on parkersplate.com. Guys?
Now we got lost because we're stupid over here.
We're not very bright.
49 nuts. What
49 servings of...
What does that mean?
49 nuts in a serving. I use this as a chip swap versus 15 chips.
Oh,
There
So you
you
get
go.
a
So you
lot.
can
You
sit
get
there
more.
and do this.
And that's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
That ball.
I
It's
got
very
it.
satisfying.
Yes.
That's
That
right.
makes sense. And I love it because I love me some pistachios.
Oh, they're so good.
Right on.
They're so good.
Thank you,
you,
ladies.
ladies.